In this guide, we will walk you through 4 reliable ways to transfer music from iPhone to OnePlus Phone. Part 1. How to transfer music from iPhone to OnePlus via OnePlus Clone Phone. OnePlus offers a built-in tool called Clone Phone that makes it easy to switch data from your old device to a new OnePlus smartphone. Step 1. Download the OnePlus Clone Phone app from the Apple App Store on your iPhone. The Clone Phone app is pre-installed on OnePlus devices, but if it's not, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Step 2. Open the Clone Phone app on your OnePlus device, tap New Phone, and select iPhone as the old device. Tap Continue, and a QR code will appear on the OnePlus screen. Step 3. Launch the app on your iPhone, select Old Phone, and use your iPhone to scan the QR code displayed on your OnePlus device to establish a connection between the two. Step 4. Once connected, select the data types you want to transfer from the iPhone, then press Start to begin the transfer process from iPhone to OnePlus. Part 2. How to move music from iPhone to OnePlus with Coolmuster Mobile Transfer. If you want a more stable and comprehensive way to transfer music, we recommend using Coolmuster Mobile Transfer. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Mobile Transfer on your computer. Connect both your iPhone and OnePlus phone using their respective data cables. Follow the on-screen instructions to ensure both devices are properly detected by the software. Step 2. Once both your iPhone and OnePlus are connected, the interface will appear as shown. Make sure your iPhone is selected as the source device. If not, click the flip button to swap their positions. Step 3. Choose the music option and click Start Copy. Wait for the transfer to complete, and your music will be automatically transferred to your OnePlus phone. Part 3. How to copy music from iPhone to OnePlus via Google Drive. For those who prefer using cloud storage, Google Drive is a convenient option to transfer music from iPhone to OnePlus. Step 1. Install and open the Google Drive app on your iPhone. Step 2. Log in with your Google account. Step 3. Tap the plus upload button and select the music files you want to transfer. Step 4. On your OnePlus device, open Google Drive and log in with the same account. Step 5. Locate the uploaded music files and download them to your phone's local storage. Part 4. How to send music from iPhone to OnePlus using email. If you only need to transfer a few songs, using email is a simple solution. Step 1. Open the Mail app or another email client on your iPhone. Step 2. Compose a new email and tap the attachment icon. Step 3. Select the music files you want to send. Step 4. Enter your own email address as the recipient and tap Send. Step 5. On your OnePlus device, open your email account, find the message, and download the attached music files.